Hello student, I am your English subject class teacher and today we will discuss about the kind of sentence. Okay, and everyone know about the definition of the sentence. You can see here definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Okay, according to the definition we know that a sentence is a group of words. It is group of words and it has a complete sense. It has complete sense. It means it makes a complete sense. Like he goes to school. In this sentence you can see here he goes to school. All these make a group and it is known as group of words. Okay, and it has a sense, so it will be sentence. Okay, and everyone know that the definition of the sentence, and for the with the example you can understand how to it will be group of word and how can it express the group of it express the sense. Okay, now we discuss about the kind of sentence. There are 5 kind of the sentence. First is assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, and third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. Okay, there are 4 kind of the sentence. First is assertive sentence. We know about the assertive sentence. According to the definition, assertive sentence, a sentence that expresses a command. A sentence that expresses a statement, declared something is known as assertive sentence. For example, I will go to school. In this sentence, you can say this is the statement or this is declared by someone. So it will be assertive sentence. And assertive sentence will be 2 parts. It will be divided into 2 parts. First is positive and second is negative. Here you can see here I will go to the school tomorrow. It is the positive. And its negative will be I will not go to school tomorrow. Okay, this is a assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that expresses a statement. A sentence that expresses a statement is called assertive sentence. And assertive sentence divided into 2 parts: positive and negative. Positive is I will go to school tomorrow. It is positive sentence, and its negative will be I will not go to school tomorrow. It's clear? Next is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we can say that according to the definition, a sentence that asks a question. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Okay? Just like that, when will you return home? In this sentence, you can see someone is asked the question. What is the question? When will you return home? So it will be interrogative sentence. Another word will take the another word. What is your name? Here is use what is your name. It is question word, a question sentence. And I will ask to you what is your name. So it will be the interrogative sentence. It's clear? And next is imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses command, request or advice. Command, request or advice. It is called imperative sentence. Just like that, you can see here example. Please pass me that book. In this sentence, someone is request. Please. Use the word please. It is the requesting word, and this sentence will be request someone. Okay, so it is imperative sentence. And after the command, leave the room immediately. Leave the room immediately. When someone says to leave the room immediately, that word, that sentence will be commanded by someone. Okay, and next is like you should leave early and reach the examination hall on time. Someone advise you to rise early and reach the examination hall on time. Okay, so it will be imperative sentence, like a sentence that expresses command, request, advice is called imperative sentence. Next is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong or sudden feeling. Strong or sudden feeling, and every exclamatory sentence ends with a sign of exclamation. It means exclamation mark. Just like that. Here is a sign of exclamation mark. Okay. For example, what a beautiful rose. In this sentence, we get the sudden feeling. It is surprise. In this sentence, the feeling of expressed surprise. What a beautiful rose. So it will be exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now, today we know about the kind of sentence and its definition. Definition is a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. And you can see here, he goes to school. It is the group of words and also express the complete sense. So it will be sentence. Now we next know about the kind of the sentence. In the kind of sentence, there are 4 parts of the kind of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. In imperative sentence, in assertive sentence, a sentence that expresses a statement is called assertive sentence. Like I will go to school tomorrow. Okay. Interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks a question. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. It means someone will ask to you, just like that, when will you return home? Next is imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses command, request, advice, etc. are known as imperative sentence. Just like that, please pass me the book. Bring me a glass of water. This type of the sentence known as imperative sentence. Last is exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses strong sudden feeling. Just like that, sorrow, happiness, joy, surprise, etc. are known as sudden feeling. And in this sentence, we can get such type of the feeling. Like what a beautiful rose. In this sentence, we can get surprise. Okay, I hope everyone you will understand. You have understand all the kind and its parts. Okay, now we will meet in next video. Thank you.